Discover what full service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3R research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are investment ideas. In today's podcast, we bring you update on Mahindra Logistics, TCI Express and Welspun India Limited. Mahindra Logistics. Analyst maintains a buy on Mahindra Logistics with a revised price target of Rs 727 factoring upwardly revised estimates. Mahindra Logistics reported strong beat on net earnings for Q1 financial year 22 led by higher than expected revenues along with better operating margin. It is targeted to add 4 MSF built to suit warehousing space over 15 months. Warehousing services is slated to comprise 30% of the targeted Rs 10,000 crore overall revenues in financial year 26. It has been able to largely preserve Rs 253 crore cash as on financial year 21 end in first quarter FY22 after funding for capex. Mahindra Logistics is favorably placed among parents group entities in terms of its growth potential and capital allocation going ahead. We expect over 55% net earnings CAGR over financial year 21 to 24 estimates to be driven by healthy revenue growth CAGR and material expansion in operating margin led by its asset-light model and strong growth opportunities present in logistics space. TCI Express. Analyst maintains a buy on TCI Express with a revised price target of Rs 1,913 considering its strong net earning growth potential over financial year 21 to 24 estimates. TCI Express reported in-line revenues for Q1 FY22 while operating margin came in below estimates led by lower than expected capacity utilization and rise in employee costs due to increments. Management retains financial year 22 guidance of 35 to 40% volume growth and operating margin of 17 to 18% as utilization levels have improved post Q1 FY22. It commenced 1.5 lakh Pune sorting center in Q1 and Gurgaon is expected by Q3 financial year 22. The revenue target of reaching Rs 2,000 crore in 4 years with net profit rise of 3 to 4 times stays intact. New services Cold Chain Express and C2C Express have started contributing revenues which is expected to scale up going ahead. Sorting center expansion, automation, new business vertical, deeper geographical penetration and cost efficiencies are expected to drive strong net earnings CAGR over financial year 21 to 24 estimates. Welspun India. Analysts retain buy on Welspun India with a revised price target of Rs 170. Q1 FY22 performance was strong revenues and operating profit growing by 84% and 100% largely driven by strong demand in US markets. Keeping ROSCTL rate unchanged till FY24 will add 4 to 5% to the operating margin in financial year 22. Management targets of operating margin of 20 to 21% in financial year 22. Increase in share of home textile in US market, expected growth in demand from markets such as Europe and emerging demand from domestic market will help home textile to grow in double digit. Flooring business to Rs 2,200 to 25 crore by financial year 26. ROE and ROCE to stand about 20% in financial year 23 with strong improvement in cash flows. That's all for the day. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosure and disclaimer, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges, terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sher Khan's 3R Research Actionable Update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sher Khan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.